Guys, I'm in my new place and it still sounds echoey because there's literally nothing in here, but it's not officially moving day yet, but I'm here because I'm running errands and waiting for a couple of deliveries. They just installed my Wi-Fi, so that's really good. And I bought my Buffbunny pieces here because I have been busy running around and thought, why not film it here? The island, the kitchen is what actually sold me, so I'm filming and using this as a background. Anyway, I've been yapping, but I just wanted to give you an update. So welcome to another Buffbunny first impression video. This is for the VIDA collection. I'm sorry if the sound is echoey because there's literally nothing in here yet. I'm working on furnishing this place, so bear with me. But yeah, VIDA collection, VIDA x Teresa, very, very exciting. And I just want to say shout out to Teresa for this collection because the colors are stunning and so proud of all your hard work and effort. So happy for you and so proud. Thank you for giving us a little taste of Mexico in this collection. I couldn't be more excited and congratulations. So I brought all my VIDA pieces with me and put them all inside of this beautiful bag. So everything is here. I might as well start with this bag, which I have been dying to have. This is the entire bag. It's huge. I can carry my entire life with this bag. We have seen the smaller version of it on the previous collection, which is the mini tote bag. I brought it here so I can compare it with you, but it looks like this tiny little bag. So basically it's the same thing, but bigger and better. For comparison, just look how big difference is. I remember saying it on the previous collection that I wanted a big jumbo version of that mini bag because I know it's going to be my new gym bag, new go-to bag, and I can carry everything and I can carry a lot of stuff inside this bag. So just like the small one, this has a strap. It comes with the strap so you can wear it multiple ways and you can wear it like this. This thing can cover my ass. This is bigger than my entire upper body. VIDA collection launches May 17th. That's Saturday at 1 p.m. CST. And it has pockets on the side, which is really great. I have my camera charger here. And you can actually close it to like that. Oh, okay. If you want more, I guess, space, you can zip it down. Oh, that's really cool. We have another one on this side. Same thing. That's awesome. It has a huge pocket on this side. I think this is for your laptop, but I think I can fit my laptop in here. On this side, you have zipper pocket. You have the zippered pocket right here. I hope you can see. This is coming in a pink color as well. Another piece I have is what I'm wearing right now. This is the Halo tee. You know, I've said it a lot of times that I love the baby tee and it's one of my favorite Buffbunny pieces. And now they came out with a longer version, which is the full length version, and I am obsessed. If you have the BBT and you love it, you're gonna love it as much, if not more, because you're getting more coverage. And of course, I went with the black one because I didn't have the black one in the BBT. Love how this hugs my body. It's breathable. It's thin fabric, so it's very breathable and it's very stretchy. If you're wearing a more compressive bottoms, like your leggings, it's gonna give you that hourglass shape. Literally, I was wearing the new seamless shorts. The compressive waist snatches you, and then this one just hugs your body, so it gives you that illusion of an hourglass shape. So I love it. So the only difference between the baby tee and this is the length. Everything else is the same. So there it goes. I love the versatility of this top because I can wear it in the gym. I can wear it also as a lifestyle piece like I am now. I'm running errands and I'm wearing it with my jeans and my boots. Perfect. Also, if I look crusty on the camera, so I'm sorry because I've been running errands and I'm sweaty and just all over the place. This is the VIDA seamless short in Azul. We've seen the Azul color from the previous collection and you loved it. So this is what it looks like. This could be 6, right? 6 inches, but I don't know. It's not in the description, but it looks like this. Azul is so pretty, and I've actually worn this to the gym. The waistband is compressive, but still stretchy. Kind of tapered in, so I like that. I love that it has a scrunch because I've mentioned before, I love anything that gives you that glute separation, more flattering, at least on me, my personal preference. It enhances the look of your glutes. It's a little thicker, right? This is what the scrunch looks like. Nothing crazy. It's very flattering when you wear it. Although I have to mention that they were kind of rolling down on me when I was doing exercises. So just wanted to mention that. Next one is the sports bra. VIDA Seamless Sports Bra in Azul. This is a new design. It looks like this, and this is what it looks like on the back. Pretty. It's very stretchy. Comes with pads. It's always good. And by the way, I'm wearing extra small in all of these pieces. This is the, what do you call this? Vita BBT in the color teal. Look at this color. It's pretty. It's very summery. Like it's with this background. This color just pops. Looks like this. This is a waist length fit. So it's like a crop top, but with my height, I'm 5'4". It kind of, yeah, I think just above my belly button. I think this is more of a lifestyle piece. Inspired by like embroidery, traditional embroidery. This screams Mexico. Next one is the baby tee. Okay, of course I have to get more baby tees because I love them. I have to get another color, and this is in Tequila Sunrise. It's so freaking beautiful. It's so pretty. Look at that color. Teresa really did a great job on this. Like, this is the summer color. I think this is my favorite color from this collection, and I think this color is gonna sell out fast. If you could grab one color from this collection, absolutely Tequila Sunrise. You don't wanna miss this color because it's so stunning. If you wanna look more extra tan, wear the Tequila Sunrise. And of course, I have to get more of that color because it's freaking stunning. I got the Legacy shorts, 4 inches. Tequila Sunrise to pair that with. You know, the Legacy shorts, there's no changes, I think. So same fit, same material. This is Tequila Sunrise in the Legacy short. I always get the 4 inches because I just like the fit of the 4 inches better with my height. I'm 5'4". Of course, the signature Legacy, we have the tri-seam here, the butterfly effect, and the logo here. I don't think my camera is even picking up the color of this. In person, it's a little darker. I'm so obsessed with the Halo Baby Tee, just the Halo fabric in general. So I got more Baby Tee. Give me all the colors. This is what Azul looks like. So again, everything's the same, just different color. If Buffbunny can come up with every color in this world for Baby Tees, yes, take my money. My fridge delivery is still not here. I have been waiting for longest time. Next one is crop phantom jacket in Hibiscus. I've never tried the phantom jacket before, so this is gonna be my first time, and apparently this is going to be a cropped version of the original one. So, and Teresa said it won't be a Teresa collab if there's no jacket. So here you go. I have to get it. And I think a lot of you love the phantom jacket, so we love to see a new version. And this is in the color Hibiscus. Wow, this pink is so bright, girl. Look at that color. Who is she? I never thought I would be a bright girly, but I think I am starting to really convert myself to be a bright girly because like the colors are fun. Imagine yourself buying new pieces, but they're all in black darker colors. Like, where's the fun in that, right? So I have been exploring, and to be honest, sometimes I feel a little uncomfortable wearing super bright. I don't want to be the center of attention in the gym. I don't know how to call it, but like a shorter monk neck. So it should be comfortable wearing it. 2 zippers, one here and one here, like that. Just didn't have a pocket. I love when a jacket has pockets. This is stretchy as well. I think they mentioned that it has a little flare, not too much, not the flares we saw from the Revolution top and the New Break crop top. This is way less. I think it shouldn't be a problem. I believe Teresa said that you can size down if you want a more snug fit or stick to your size. You want the sleeve to be more comfortable. So you can wear it multiple ways. I would not probably wear this with another pink or bright bottoms. I'm not there yet, but I love to mix and match, you know. And one thing I absolutely love about this collection is the colors. You can mix and match. They go well together. Pochette scrunch pocket legging. I love when I hear the word scrunch because I love bottoms with scrunch. So this is in the color, this is also new color, El Mar. El Mar. And there's pockets. Never tried before. So excited to see. Excited to see it. Excited to see that. Excited to see them in this collection. Looks like this. I think this is more of a subtle scrunch, right? It says scrunch legging, but it's not like it's not like the scrunch from the aggressive scrunch. I don't know how I feel about pocket leggings yet, but I have yet to try these. It's more of like a hidden pocket, so you don't really see it when you're wearing it, I guess. It blends well with the leggings. Pockets are deep. I believe they mentioned that the pochette is more of like the pochette version that we saw from Deadlift, which is more compressive. So I did not size up, we'll see. So we'll see how this fits me. We've got the heathered pair. We'll start with the sports bra. This is the Twilight Dream Heather sports bra in Candy Crush. You've seen this before, this time in more colors. I know you love your Twilight, I know you love your supportive bra, I know you love your Twilight Dream Heather, so it's exciting to see more colors. In this color, Candy Crush, it's so pretty. It's so pretty, like it's with this fabric, this is insane. It's so pretty, I could eat it like a dessert, you know, like a cake. It's, I don't know why I said that, but it looks so cute. This color, guys. I've never tried the Twilight Heather sports bra before, so I'm excited to try these. I don't normally get a supportive bra because I don't have anything really, and this is a long line, so this is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I'm excited to try this and report to you. And of course, we have the leggings to pair that with. What's with all the pinks? Okay. I believe there's no changes from the heathered fabric from the previous collection. It should be still stretchy. Last time I did size up, which is a wrong move because it was very stretchy. Hopefully this one fits me better. The color pink is so pretty, guys. I can pair it with this thing and I'd be good to go. Black and pink, beautiful. I have to get a little accessory. Of course, it's in Tequila Sunrise. Facts, I've never had the scrunchie before because I am not really a scrunchie girly, but again, I'm trying to explore and get out of my comfort zone, so I got one. That's a step. This is in the color Tequila Sunrise. So those are all the pieces I got. I am very excited to try everything and share them with you, share my opinion, and film a more in-depth YouTube review for you. Excited to wear them to the gym and report back to you. That's all I got for today. Don't forget, VIDA collection launches May 17th, Saturday at 1 p.m. And my code GEM not only supports me, but saves you 10% off on your purchase. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to fixing this apartment. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.